What's the meaning of abstinent? Abstinent. 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 Abstinence is the practice of refraining from indulging in any bodily activities that are widely experienced as giving pleasure. The term is most frequently used to describe sexual abstinence, but it can also be used to describe abstinence from alcohol, drugs, food, or other substances or activities that are considered harmful or addictive. There are many reasons why people choose to abstain. Some people believe that abstinence is the best way to prevent pregnancy, sexually transmitted infections, or other health problems. Others believe that abstinence is a moral or religious obligation. Still others simply do not enjoy the activities that they are abstaining from. Whatever the reason, abstinence can be a difficult choice to make. It requires self-discipline and willpower, and it can be challenging to resist temptation. However, abstinence can also be a rewarding choice. It can lead to a healthier lifestyle, improved relationships, and a greater sense of self-control. If you are considering abstinence, it is important to talk to your doctor or a trusted adult. They can help you to make an informed decision and to develop a plan for success.